Over the past 8 years, I've provided training for hundreds of people interested in countertop surface repair. Many are successful at surface polishing after putting in the practice. One thing's for sure, there is a learning curve to this skill. Just like any skill, it takes time and practice to learn the finesse required to get great results. Things like how much pressure to use, how to avoid getting that popular halo around your repair area, keeping the repair area flat without dipping. This learning curve takes time. The QR6 Radial Arm Polisher was created to take the learning curve out of the equation. The QR6 not only keeps the polisher perfectly flat, but keeps constant pressure no matter how long you're polishing. You can even face polish with one hand. Now the user doesn't need to have years of experience to get great results. Let's take a look.
The QR6 is convenient and compact for transporting into the field. The unit is totally self-contained with an onboard compressor. The QR6 sits securely on a metal resting plate to prevent damage to the vacuum seal on the underside of the unit. The QR6 secures firmly to the countertop surface with the onboard air compressor. The unit has a tight vacuum seal, assuring the polisher is perfectly flat to the surface. The QR6 comes equipped to mount the Flex PE14-2 150 polisher in either electric or cordless versions. The cordless batteries will last approximately 40 minutes of continuous use and can be quick charged in 30 minutes. The polisher attaches to the radial arm at 2 points. In the front, it is attached with 2 mounting bolts and a second secure point with the mounting strap in the rear. The QR6 has a convenient cam lock trigger for locking the polisher for replacing backer pads without removing the polisher. The QR6 has a tension arm that lowers and raises the polisher to the surface, and a pressure screw to increase or decrease the polishing pressure on the surface. This should only be changed with the polisher on the surface. While we recommend using a soft backer pad to accommodate any height variation in the polishing surface, if using a hard backer, always make sure to lower the unit to the surface, then slightly loosen the mounting bolts to assure the backer is completely flat on the surface, then retighten the mounting bolts. The QR6 is the answer for those who are new to surface polishing or just may be tired of the aching shoulders and back. It's so convenient, you can polish with one hand. For use in the shop or the field, the QR6 is a game changer. Contact your local distributor or visit us online today at quartzrenew.com.